P0430 code? Mechanic saying, replace the catalytic converter? Wait, before spending thousands of dollars, try this first. In this video, I'll show you the cheapest DIY fix using only one bottle of catalytic converter cleaner, a trick many mechanics try before replacing the converter. And yes, it could save you a lot of money. So watch till the end. Using just one bottle of catalytic converter cleaner, you may be able to clear the P0430 code yourself before spending thousands on a catalytic converter replacement. P0430 means the catalyst system efficiency is below threshold on bank 2, which means the catalytic converter is no longer working efficiently and your vehicle may be producing higher levels of harmful emissions. If you're getting a P0430 error code, don't panic yet in this video. I'll show you a simple DIY method you can try at home before spending thousands on a catalytic converter replacement. There are many different types of catalytic converter cleaners available, and most of them cost under $20. Before using the cleaner, reduce your fuel level to about 1/4 of a tank so the cleaner can work more effectively through the fuel system and catalytic converter. Simply pour the catalytic converter cleaner into your gas tank. The amount you use will depend on the brand and type of cleaner. Once added, the cleaner mixes with the gasoline and flows through the fuel system into the catalytic converter. As it passes through, the cleaning agents help break down carbon buildup and deposits inside the converter, which may improve catalytic converter efficiency and help reduce the P0430 error code. Then drive the vehicle for about 150 miles to allow the cleaner to fully circulate through the fuel system and catalytic converter. If you can't drive that far, let the engine run at around 2,500 RPM for about 30 minutes to help the cleaner work through the system and break down carbon buildup inside the converter. And that's how to fix a P0430 engine code using only one bottle of catalytic converter cleaner. This quick DIY method is cheap, easy, and could save you from replacing the catalytic converter too early. Subscribe for more real DIY mechanic fixes, check engine light solutions, and professional car repair tips.